Ready to take control of your high-yield savings account from anywhere, at any time? You know the feeling. You need to check a balance, confirm a transfer, or just peek at your hard-earned interest, and you need to do it now. Fortunately, logging into your BrioDirect online banking account is a simple, secure process that puts your money management right at your fingertips. In this quick guide, we're going to walk you through the essential steps to successfully log into BrioDirect so you can get back to managing your finances with confidence. First things first, you'll need a computer or a mobile device with a reliable internet connection. If you're on your phone, you might be using the BrioDirect mobile app, but the process on the main website is just as straightforward. Step 1. Navigate to the official website. Open your preferred web browser and go directly to the official BrioDirect banking website. For security, it's always best to type the address yourself or use a trusted bookmark, rather than clicking a link from an unknown email. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button. It's usually prominently displayed in the top corner of the screen. Step 2. Locate the login fields. Clicking Login will take you to the secure login area. Here, you'll see two main fields, one for your username and one for your password. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Carefully type in the username and password that you set up during your BrioDirect account enrollment. Remember, both fields are case-sensitive. So, if you used capital letters in your password, you must use them again now. Step 4. Complete the security check. After entering your details, you might be asked to complete an extra security step, especially if you're logging in from a new device or browser. This is often a part of the multi-factor authentication process, a crucial layer of protection for your account. This could involve answering a pre-selected security question, receiving a one-time passcode via text message or email, which you then enter on the screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this security verification. Step 5. Access your account. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll be securely logged into your BrioDirect online banking dashboard. From here, you can check balances, view transaction history, set up transfers, and more. If you ever have trouble logging in, maybe you forgot your password or username, look for the Forgot Password or Trouble Logging In link right on the login page. BrioDirect provides easy-to-follow steps to securely recover or reset your access. And that's all there is to it. 5 simple steps to securely log in and manage your high-yield savings whenever you need to. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.